Hi guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's routine video without having any further delay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the routine of 3rd August 2024 of the day 241. So without having any further delay, let's start today's routine video. So basically, guys, I already told you from the last too many videos that from last maybe around 10 videos, maybe I don't know exactly about that. I was telling to you that not last 10 days video, I can say that from the last too many videos, I woke up at 3 a.m. at very soon. But today, I broke all the timetable of mine. I do not woke up today at 3 a.m. No. That means not that I didn't woke up at 3 a.m. I woke up. I woke up and I realized that it is about to happen 3 a.m. But I didn't woke up. I already woke up. How can I explain you? Basically, I laid down on the bed and in my mind I know that it's around 3 a.m. already happened and I can woke up on that time, but just I deliberately not woke up. Okay, I hope you will understand here. So after that I woke up at around 9 a.m. Okay, yeah. I woke up at around 9 a.m. and I went to the ground floor and I started watching of some lectures of study. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was actually happened. Okay, after that, I had taken the bath, and after that I worshipped, and after that again I started watching the lectures. Okay, so after that I ate food. What I ate today? Yeah, I ate food. Okay, yeah. So after that I went to the first floor and I started studying. So basically guys, this is the thing which was actually happened till yet. So and the at the time of 4 to 5 p.m. I ate again, and again I came to the first floor. Okay, and throughout the whole day I didn't do too much thing. Okay, I just not done too much thing throughout the whole day, and at the time of evening, okay, I ate food and I went for the sleep. So basically this is the thing which was actually happened today. And yeah, that I know that today is not something I had done too much thing. Okay, so now you guys, the question which was arise that I went for the sleep. Why I am telling that? At the time of evening I went for the sleep. Why I am telling that? And basically this video is about the routine of 3rd August. The guys is simple that the 3rd August day's routine video I forget to upload, not forget to upload, so because of my busy routine I was unable to shoot. So this is the reason why I not shoot the 3rd August routine video. So this video I am shooting right now in the present day, but this video is going to the routine of skip days routine video, that is 3rd August 2024 days routine video. Okay, so basically this is the thing which was actually happened. Okay, so yeah, so this video is about the routine of 3rd August 2024 of the day 241. Okay, so yeah, so let's start learning of the daily 5 to 10 words vocabulary learning. But today we will learn only 5 words. Okay, and revise some past previous vocabulary which we were not revised from the last too many days. Okay, so yeah, our first word is snack. Snack means first word is cookies. Cookies means, guys, I searched too many things in Google, as well as not Google, I searched in Google Translate as well as ChatGPT, and I got an answer that cookies, we call cookies in Hindi cookies. But I try to search on money, but we can also say biscuit. But biscuit is not really a right word, but we can say biscuit at the time of emergency. Okay, so we call this biscuit. Okay, क्या तुमने बिस्किट खा लिया? Have you ate your biscuit or cookies? Okay, snack means, guys, नाश्ता. क्या तुमने अपना नाश्ता कर लिया? Have you done your snack? Bite means, guys, काटना. क्या तुमने उसे काटा था? क्या तुमने उसे काटा था? Did you bite him? Pumpkin means, guys, कद्दू. आज मुझे कद्दू खाने का मन कर रहा है. Today I want to eat. Today my mind says to eat pumpkin. We call kaddu as a pumpkin. Basically, these are all the examples. this is all just an example, don't take it seriously. Okay, so are the last word is peas. Okay, peas we call मटर. क्या तुमने कभी मटर की सब्जी खाया है? Have you ever ate मटर vegetable? Yeah, so basically guys, this is the our first 5 words: cookies, biscuit, snack, नाश्ता, bite, काटना, pumpkin, कद्दू, peas, मटर, and cookies at the time of emergency we call biscuit. Okay, so yeah, so let's revise the vocabulary. Okay, obediently. Obediently means guys आज्ञाकारी. क्या तुम आज्ञाकारी शिष्य हो? Are you obediently student? Are you a student whose nature is obediently? Obey, आज्ञा का पालन करना. क्या तुम अपने गुरु की आज्ञा का पालन करते हो? Do you obey your teacher's word? Battle, battle means guys युद्ध. क्या तुमने बैटल ऑफ प्लासी, क्या तुमने प्लासी का युद्ध देखा था? Have you ever saw बैटल ऑफ प्लासी? फ्लैटरिंग, फ्लैटरिंग मीन्स गाइस चापलूसी करना. तुम बहुत ही चापलूसी करते हो. यू आर डूइंग टू मच फ्लैटरिंग. प्रेफर, प्रेफर मीन्स गाइस पसंद करना. आई थिंक ये मुझे पसंद आया. आई प्रेफर दिस. I have some doubt regarding prefer. Okay, so yeah, don't take it seriously, but I will really search very soon to prefer this word prefer, about the prefer. Okay, फिर भी, anyway, फिर भी तुम वहाँ गए. Anyway you go there. और कुछ, anything else, और कुछ बचा है तो बोल दो. Anything else remaining, then tell it. रूढ़िवादी, कंजर्वेटिव. तुम बहुत ही रूढ़िवादी धारणा के इंसान हो. यू आर वेरी रूढ़ी, सॉरी, यू आर वेरी रूढ़िवादी. आई वाज स्पीकिंग लाइक दैट. इट डजंट मेक एनी काइंड ऑफ सेंस. Where I have to use conservative, I am using translating version of the रूढ़िवादी. It's not a good thing. Okay, so conservative. You are a very conservative nature person. Uber, Uber means guys bumpy. I literally am confused to this word, but I have to search regarding this. I will really research something about this. Awful, भयंकर, भयंकर guys means awful. यह बहुत ही भयंकर था. It is literally a very awful. Okay. समुद्र में यात्रा करना, cruise. So guys, wait guys. So yeah guys, समुद्र में यात्रा करना, क्रूइज. क्या तुमने कभी समुद्र की यात्रा करे हो? Have you done cruise? It literally I have also the same doubt regarding this. Okay, regarding this word I have literally a same doubt. Okay, basically the example I can't understand. Okay, टकराना, टकराना means guys bumped. फिर मैं अचानक से वहाँ, फिर अचानक से मेरा पेन वहाँ पर टकरा गया. Suddenly my pen bumped there. Okay, सौदा, सौदा means guys bargain. क्या तुमने कभी सौदा किया है? Have you done bargain? संयोग, coincidence. संयोग से हम दोनों वहाँ पर मिल गए. Just because of coincidence we met there. पीछा करना, follow. क्या तुम्हारा किसी ने कभी पीछा किया है? Did anyone follow you? Wait guys. Yeah guys, if we take another example of follow करना, पीछा करना, that is मुझे लग रहा है कि मेरा कोई पीछा कर रहा है. I think that someone follow me. I think there's someone following me. So you know guys that I saw too many differences like that. If I speak in Hindi, if I speak the example in Hindi and after that I will translate, then I'm improving my tenses as well. But if I only speak like that, पीछा करना, follow, someone follow me, then I can't able to understand the tenses. Okay, on the time, not in an appropriate manner, not learning the tenses. But when I speak example in Hindi, then I am able to learn tenses at an appropriate manner. So our another word is निगरानी. निगरानी means guys supervise. क्या तुम्हारा किसी ने कभी निगरानी किया है? Have you, क्या तुम्हारा कभी किसी ने निगरानी किया? बेसिकली वी हैव कंप्लीटेड 10 मिनट्स बट दिस इज द लास्ट एग्जांपल वी विल टेक. क्या तुम्हारा कभी किसी ने निगरानी किया है? इज एनीबडी डन supervise of your? So basically guys, this is a thing which was actually happened. So I think it is enough for today. So guys, let's end the video guys. See you later. Bye bye.